Hey, Gravy. Hey, Gravy. Hey, how do you feel about gay marriage? Okay.
Becomes like a natural.
Did you have to let him go at each other 7 times?
I mean, she detox.
This will be fun.
Oh. Are we videotaped right now? You're videotaping like really intense, like one-on-one, Doug, like...
This is like the most perfect display of apples I've ever seen.
What the fuck is that? That.
Multiple what? Where are we right now?
Barton Springs.
I'm walking on sunshine, woo, and don't it feel good?
Get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of the Spencer and Clyde and trying to holler at me. Oh yes, so I'm talking to you. Oh yes, so I'm talking to you.
Gravy. Do you believe in climate change? Yeah? It's not a picture, it's a video.
Straight realism film.
Hello!
And then Michael. Yeah, and then Liberty. Hey. Okay, anything else you want to say?
What a beautiful day of June 9th.
Beautiful day tonight.
Yeah.
Alright, are we gonna do our cancer sticks now?
Or
Not
what?
in here.
Our cancer sticks?
Smoke free.
Smoke free.
Do you do that, Azra?
No, I quit smoking.
You bullshit.
I did!
Walk away.
I just
walk away.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying this.